Hi guys! With this quick video, we wanted to give you an update what's going on. Well, the weather has changed, snow has melted, but it's back. But look at these two and the others. Free as a bird, finally. Like you know, we have told that in Finland we have had really strict rules how to keep your chickens, well, or the birds, this summer and autumn time because of the precautions of bird influenza. Well, it's gone now. The restrictions, I mean. What a wonderful feeling they must have. The bird influenza restrictions are over here in Finland. It was a precautious and it took months that the chickens needed to stay inside or in a cage. Now they can free range and it's wonderful. In our last video it was complete winter in here. Now you see quite autumnish weather. We have about 9 degrees plus in Celsius and there is still some green. So the chickens must enjoy this. At least I am when I'm looking what they're doing.